Kékfrankos. Aka also known as Blaufränkisch, Frankovka.
Yep.
It's so funny because the Austrians have adapted Blaufränkisch as their own when actually that Hungary has the most plantings of Kékfrankos. I personally like Kékfrankos, and I say this very openly, not just because it's your podcast, to all my writing friends. I prefer it in Hungary. I prefer Hungarian Kékfrankos or German Lemberger because they're usually a little bit lighter in style. I think, and it's really sad for me in Hungary that producers can't sell wines just labeled as Kkfrankos. You get these amazing wines labeled as Kkfrankos for next to nothing because producers can't sell it. It's a grape when done in the Hungarian style where it's a little spicy, more kind of Pinot Noir or almost Sangiovese-esque, where it's tangy, got acidity, it's a little bit spicy. I think it's absolutely phenomenal price quality. Let's put it at A. I think there really is. The only problem is quantity, and the other problem is, unfortunately, Hungarians are not great at marketing or not open to be great at marketing either, because it's
the complicated names are not really helpful. There was a girl in New York who was printing merchandise with the Hungarian grape variety names because they were enjoying so much.
Of course.
Kékfrankos is not even that complicated, but when we get to the Irsai Olivers and Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.